Hi friends, I'm Margarita Hambarian, one of the representatives of the Excelist Club. We are a specialized company and are represented on the internet through the website excelist.am, also via the Excelist Training Center Facebook page, the Excelist Club Facebook group, the Microsoft Excel Online Lessons YouTube channel, the Excelist Club Telegram channel, and also via the Digital Generation Project, which conducts online courses using digital tools and skills. Today we are going to take a look at one of the most useful Google Sheets features. This is version recovery or version history. Using this feature, we can go back to our older version of Google Sheets so we can easily recover any work we want and don't lose it. Suppose here we have this table and we want to get back to its previous version. All we need to do is go to File, Version History, See Version History. This is going to bring up different dates and times where I made changes since last changes. When I expand this, I can see the different times and different changes I made. When I click one of them, in green there will be shown the changes I made on those cells. There is a check mark in the bottom, so if I don't want to see the changes, I can easily take it away. After that, it's not going to show the changes I made, like this. Now, let's suppose I want to recover the previous version. All I need to select Restore this version. And if I decide not to restore anything, I can go back clicking on Undo button like here. I also have the ability to rename the version I want. For example, I want to rename this one to version 1. So I select File, Version History, Name Current Version. And here we can type the new name. After this, when I go back to File, Version History, See Version History, I can find this version's name here. And also, here appeared this button, which provides us to see only the versions which have names. So if I click on this, it shows me only named versions. This is the Google Sheets related tip for today. Hopefully you enjoyed it. See you soon. Bye bye.